Good morning student. Today we are going to learn second standard English grammar fourth number chapter nouns number. Okay, last video we learned what is mean by singular and plural and see the first rule of nouns. Now today we are going to learn rule number second. See here rule second. Nouns that end in ch, s, sh, x takes es to change from singular to plural. Now listen. Nouns, nouns, nouns that, that, that end in, end, end in ch, yes, sh, x take es to change from singular to plural. singular, singular to plural. Now listen. Nouns that end in ch, yes, sh, x take es change from singular to plural. पहा सिंगुलर पासून प्लुरल मध्ये होताना ch किंवा s असेल किंवा sh किंवा x असेल तर त्याचं काय होतं प्लुरल होता वेळेस es लागतो तिथे. काय लागतो es. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सी हियर. सी सिंगुलर singular plural plural plural. See match match. Here is lastly ch, no. Now listen. See matches mat in plural form matches matches. Here add the es. Okay, now listen. See then second word bench bench bench. Okay, here is the last ch. Now add es here benches benches. Now listen. See then third number word class class class. Now here add the esc class classes. Now see fourth number word bus bus. Here add the es buses. Now fifth number brush brush. Now here add es add es. Means see. Okay, nouns that end in ch. Here is the ch yes sh. Yes, here is the yes. Okay, takes es to change from singular to plural. Now listen. See here match in the singular form match match. Lastly here is the ch. Okay, take es to change from in plural. Means here is adding es in plural form matches. ओके, म्हणजे लास्टला ch जर असेल तर त्याला प्लुरल मध्ये काय होतं ऍड es लागतो पुढे matches. ओके, नाउ लिसन. सी द नेक्स्ट वर्ड बेंच bench. लास्टली हियर द ch. लास्टला काय येते ch आहे तर त्याला ऍड आणखी काय होतं प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये es benches benches. Now listen. Here is the class class Okay, lastly here is the yes. Okay, in plural from adding es, class classes. Now listen, in singular form, here is the bus, bus, bus. Lastly here is yes. In plural form, here is adding es, bus, buses. Now listen, fifth number word brush, brush. Here is the lastly sh. Okay. Now here is adding es, brush, brushes. Okay. Do you understand? Means noun that end in ch, yes, x, take es to change from singular from. म्हणजे वर्डच्या नाउनच्या शेवटी काय असेल, ch असेल किंवा yes असेल किंवा sh असेल किंवा x असेल तर त्याच्या ऍड काय होतं, त्याला ऍड काय होतं पुढे प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये es. त्याला काय होतं ऍड es. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टँड सिंगल सेकंड रूल? ओके, नाउ लिसन सी देन थर्ड रूल. But see, then second table in second rule. See, bush. In singular form, bush. bush. Here is the last sh. Now here is adding es. In plural form, bush, adding es. Okay, now listen, see the second, tax, tax, tax. Lastly here is the x, adding here in plural form tax, taxes. Third, see, box, box, box. Here is the last x. Now listen, see, boxes, boxes, boxes. Now listen, see here, fox, fox, fox. Lastly here is x, fox. Now listen, foxes, foxes, foxes. Now see fifth number, princess, princes, princess. See here, princess, princesses, princes, princess. Now listen, in singular from bush, bush. Here is the last sh. Last ला काय येते sh. तर प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये होताना काय होतं त्याला ऍड bush, bushes. Now listen, see here second word, tax, tax. Lastly here is x. So in plural form adding there tax, taxes. Okay, now listen, see the third word, box, box. In plural form here is adding box, boxes. Now listen, see then fourth number word, fox, fox. Here is the last x. So in plural form here is adding fox, foxes. म्हणजे शेवटी इथं काय x आहे तर प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये त्याला ऍड काय होतं आणखी fox, foxes. See here, princess, princes, princess. Here is the last yes. So in plural form here is adding princes, princesses. Okay, do you understand now singular from and plural form second rules? Okay, noun that end in ch, yes, sh, x, take es to change from singular to plural. म्हणजे शेवटी ch असेल, yes असेल नाउन मध्ये किंवा sh असेल किंवा x असेल तर त्याला काय ऍड होतं रे es. इन प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना काय होतं es काय होतं त्याला ऍड होतं त्या नाउनला. Okay, do you understand now second rule? Now listen, see then third rule. Okay, see then third rule. Rule 3. a word ends 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 with consonant 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 followed 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 by Y, the Y is changed changed to IES, and when a word ends ends with a vowel followed by Y, we simply add yes to make it. Now listen, when a word ends with consonant followed by Y, the Y is changed to IES, and when a word ends with a vowel followed by Y, we simply add S to make it. Now listen, consonant. Okay, when a word ends with a consonant followed by Y is changed to IES. वर्डच्या शेवटी जर काय असेल, नाउनच्या शेवटी जर वाय असेल तर त्याचं चेंज होऊन काय होतं, जर का वाय कॉन्सोनंट असेल आणि शेवटी जर कॉन्सोनंट वाय असेल आणि तो चेंज होऊन प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये काय होतं, त्याचा IES होतो. ओके, अँड अ वर्ड एंड विथ अ वॉवेल, आणि जर वर्डच्या शेवटी काय असेल वॉवेल असतील तर त्याचा चेंज वॉवेल काय होतं, followed by Y, we simply add S to make it plural. आणि जर वर्डच्या एंडला काय असेल वॉवेल Y असेल, वॉवेल स्वर जर काय असेल Y असेल तर त्याला फक्त प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये ऍड होताना काय होतं, S फक्त लागतो. परंतु जर वर्डच्या शेवटी काय असेल कॉन्सोनंट Y असेल तर चेंज होऊन काय होतं, त्याला IES. ओके, प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना काय होतं, IES होतो. वायच्या ठिकाणी काय होतं, IES जर वाय कॉन्सोनंट असेल तर. आणि जर वर्डच्या शेवटी वाय हा काय असेल वॉवेल असेल तर त्याला फक्त प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना काय होतं, येस फक्त काय होतं ऍड होतो. ओके, सी देन वर्ड्स सिंगुलर फॉर्म अँड प्लुरल फॉर्म अँड प्लुरल forms. Singular, here is the plural. See, in singular form here is the body, here Y is the consonant. Okay, so in plural form here is adding IES, bodies, BODIES. ओके, नाउनच्या शेवटी इथे काय आहे, वाय हा काय आहे कॉन्सोनंट आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना ते वाय जाऊन तिथे ऍड काय होतं IES. ओके, जर का वर्डच्या शेवटी वाय हा काय असेल कॉन्सोनंट असेल तर प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना वाय हा जाऊन तिथे काय ऍड होतं IES. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टँड ना? बॉडी, bodies. Now listen, see then second word city. CITY, city. Here is Y is consonant. So in plural form here is CITIES, cities. Here is adding IES. Now listen, see then third word country. COUNTRY, country. Here Y is consonant. So in plural form here is adding COUNTRIES. Here is adding IES. Means Y is changed to IES. Okay, now listen, see then fourth number word fly. FLY, fly. Here Y is consonant. Okay, in this words Y is consonant. So Y is changed in IES. FLIES, flies. Okay, fly, FLY, fly. Fly, Y is consonant. So Y is changed with in plural form IES. Means FLIES, flies. Y हा इथं काय आहे? कॉन्सनंट आहे, तर त्याचा प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये काय होतं? तो चेंज होऊन IES लागतो तिथे, म्हणजे FLIES, flies. Okay, see then fifth number word story. STORY, story. Here is Y is consonant. So Y is changed with IES in plural form. Means stories. STORIES, stories. Now listen, see singular form and plural form. Body, BODY. Here Y is consonant. इथं Y हा काय आहे? कॉन्सनंट आहे. तो चेंज होऊन प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये तिथं काय होतं? IES लागतो, म्हणजे BODIES, bodies. See then second word city. CITY, city. Y हा काय आहे? कॉन्सनंट आहे, त्यामुळे तो चेंज होऊन काय होतं? प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये IES ऍड होतं. मीन्स हियर इज ऍडिंग cities, CITIES, cities. Now listen, see then third word country. COUNTRY, country. Means here is the Y is consonant. So in Y is changed in plural form IES. Means here is the country. COUNTRIES. Means Y is changed in IES. Okay, in plural form. Okay, see then fourth number word fly. FLY, fly. Here Y is consonant. So in plural form Y is changed with IES. Means spelling is FLIES, flies. Okay, see then fifth number word story. STORY, story. Means here is Y is consonant. So Y is changed with in plural form IES. Means spelling is STORIES, stories. Okay, do you understand now? Singular form, singular and plural form. Okay, now listen, see then next words. Day. See day. First word day. DAY, day. Means here is Y is what? Y is vowel. Okay, last word Y is vowel. So in the plural form here is add only yes. Means days. DAY, yes, days. Okay, now listen, see then second word. इथे Y हा काय आहे? vowel आहे, स्वर आहे, त्याच्यामुळे त्याला फक्त प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये ऍड होताना काय लागतं? yes फक्त लागतो. DAY, yes, days. Okay, see then second word boy. BOY, boy. Means here Y is vowel. So in plural form here is adding only yes. BOY, yes, boys. Okay, now listen, see then third word play. PLAY, play. Here Y is vowel. Okay, so in plural from singular to plural. Okay, singular words changing to plurals. Here is adding only yes. Means plays. PLAY, yes, plays. Okay, see then fourth number word, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Means here Y is vowel. So in plural form, adding only yes. Monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Monkeys. Okay, now listen, see then fifth number word, key. K-E-Y, key. Okay, means here Y is vowel. So in plural form, here adding only yes. Means keys. K-E-Y, yes, keys. Okay, now listen once again, I repeat this. Okay, when a word ends with a vowel followed by Y, we simply add yes to make it plural. Means words ends with a vowel followed by Y, we simply add yes to make it plural. See here Y, day, D-A-Y, day. Means lastly here Y is vowels. Okay, so in plural form, here adding only yes. D-A-Y, yes. Okay, see then second word, boy. B-O-Y, boy. Okay, means Y is vowel. So Y here is singular form to plurals. Okay, in plural forms, here is only add yes. B-O-Y, yes, boys. Okay, now listen, see then third word, play. Okay, play. Here Y is vowel. So in plural form, here only adding yes. P-L-A-Y-S. इथे Y काय आहे? vowel आहे. त्यामुळे प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये फक्त ऍड काय होतं? yes. Okay, now listen, see then fourth number word, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Here Y is vowel. So in plural form, here is only adding yes. Monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Monkeys. Now listen, see then fifth number word, key. K-E-Y, key. Here Y is vowel. So in plural form, here is adding only yes. K-E-Y, yes, keys. Okay, student, you understand now? Then second number rule and third number rule. Okay, in this video. I think you understand it. Now listen, see then fourth number rule, fifth number rule. Okay, in next video. Thank you.